Hey guys, it's me Charlie. Today is June 4th, 2012, and I'm doing a video on my canaries. I had a request on doing a video on my canaries. So here's one of the boys here that sings really loud. Oh no, this is a girl. She sings super loud. And then my male, he's right there in the corner. He sings really loud. There's my female canary. And another female canary. Let me open this up. There we go. And then my other male canary. He's kind of tame. Sometimes I can go up to him and touch him. You've seen him in one of my videos where I did the how to care for finches' feet and canaries. He's really, really sweet. I've had him for I think 2 years now. He's never mated. He's never been interested in mating. And this guy here wants to mate really badly, but his girlfriend doesn't want him. And she's down there. That's her right there. So I only have 5 canaries. And they're not very successful at breeding. Well, they are, but not mine, because these guys aren't set up properly, and they're also not the right types. Someone got off their nest. And my diamond, I took, see that big egg in there? That's a diamond dove egg. And she laid another one today. Just laying like crazy. And then, where in the world is my society finch? Oh, he's on the ground. But where are the canaries? There they are, right there. I need to get these guys some boys, or these girls some boys. Here's a little baby. Sorry about the lighting there. Now, canaries are actually easy kind of to breed. But you want to be careful, because when you pair up your canaries, if the female doesn't like the male, she will kill him. And the reason why is just that they're very, very territorial. They have to, see, this is the pair I want to be together. They're very territorial. They have to make sure that the male does his job of mating with her. Then she takes over the nest. Oh my God, it's so loud this morning. I can't even hear myself. So you guys probably can't hear me either. One good tip I want to give you guys on canaries. When you buy a canary, make sure their toenails aren't long. If they're really, really long, they're old. And those are the ones that, you know, they won't be very good fertile breeders. I mean, they could breed still, but depending on their age, they won't be very fertile. And you also want to buy some that don't look like their nails have been clipped, because that also looks like they were older birds that got their nails trimmed. But you want to check for their legs to not be scaly. If they have scaly feet, like my 2 red factors, this one right here and that one there, their feet are just now getting scaly, so they're older. And then this little guy right here, his is nice and smooth. And who else has smooth feet? This little guy has smooth feet, but he's got long nails. See his toenails? The older the canary gets, I've noticed, the longer the nails get. But it also isn't 100% fact. It's just a really good tip. Well, these guys are freaking out. Alright, so if you guys have any questions on canaries, I am doing this in the bird room. It's super loud in here. Just leave me a comment, and I'll do my best to answer it. There's the owner of those eggs, that white Florida Fancy zebra finch. So leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And that's her baby right there. No. They're so cute. Hi, canaries. Oops, that's bright light. Where's the rest of them? Ah, there you are. The light's terrible. There's one. There's another.